Storm Team 44, powered by Bracket Heating, Air, and Plumbing.
All right, good Thursday morning, everybody. We almost made it to the weekend, and we've now made it to another nice day overall. Lots of sun coming up on that Evansville East Cam. Beautiful view as the sun was coming up early this morning. The sunrise is getting a little bit later, but still a nice start nonetheless for our Thursday. For yesterday, it was pretty warm. Made it up to 86 for the high temperature in Evansville. That is exactly 10 degrees above average for the first day of October. We normally run in the mid-70s, and normally our lows run in the lower 50s. We're definitely above that right now by about 10 degrees as well. 62 the temperature in Evansville. It's mild. It just could be a little cooler this time of year. It is a little cooler towards Jasper, towards Tell City, towards Olney. That's where we're clocking in with the upper 50s. Same for Hartford too, 59 degrees there. Everywhere else seems to be in the lower 60s. And again, going to be another warm day, anywhere from around 86 to 88 for your high temperatures across the area. 87 your high today in Evansville, Morganfield, Henderson. All of us still underneath this area of high pressure that's largely been in control of things, keeping things warm not just for us, but all across the Ohio Valley, all across the upper Mississippi Valley. Temperatures running roughly anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year for those high temperature anomalies. That's the term for how far above or below average it is. And that'll be the trend for the weekend as well. I think by early next week that may change, most likely by Tuesday, Wednesday as a front moves in, but for the short term, keep them with warm temperatures. Just look at that hourly forecast in the futurecast for later today. Temperatures up to around the lower 80s by lunchtime today, partly to mostly cloudy. The futurecast wants to paint a couple little very small showers that develop later this evening for folks farther south. Those will be very isolated, very light, if anything. I think most of us will be dry rest of the day today. Into tomorrow morning, though, it's possible more of us could see some early morning showers. That upper level moisture may be just barely deep enough for some light rain early tomorrow morning. Not expecting anything heavy or stormy, just a couple little showers early in the morning, so be on the lookout for that. We're back to being dry again by the afternoon and likely staying dry for high school football later tonight. Clear skies, temperatures down to around the mid-70s by kickoff time around 7 o'clock for Friday night. For Saturday and Sunday, warm, dry, sunny days set to continue. Just not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. I think we stay warm and dry until we get to most likely Monday. Notice those winds turning back towards the south. That should help bring some extra moisture our way. And I think by Monday, the rain chances really start to build, as will the moisture. Enough for some rain most likely by Monday night, and then by Tuesday, we should be seeing a solidly rainy day with scattered showers, possibly a few thunderstorms mixed in there. The front passes through most likely Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, it looks like, and if the trend holds, Wednesday is finally when we could see some actual fall-like temperatures. For the Westside Nut Club Fall Festival, it will be partly cloudy during the day, and highs will still be kind of warm in the mid-80s, but beyond that, finally some cooler temperatures on the horizon in your 7-day forecast. It'll be sunny and warm for the weekend, highs near 86, 87, then we're possibly down to 74 if the trends continue for next Wednesday.